Hello, my name is Pierre-Marie Leprince. I am the Vice President Culinary and Dining Services for Front Porch Communities, and we are today in Casa del Mañana, one of our community in La Jolla, California. We are, at the moment, into the kitchen trailer, which has been custom designed by Contact Pro for this community as we are going through a remodeling phase in the kitchen of the community. Front Porch Community Services is a non-profit organization that is operating several senior living communities on affordable housing through the state of California. We are upgrading our capacity to cook and transform our product to the newest technology available today. So we are going to remodel entirely the kitchen of Casa del Mañana community to what will now become our prototype across all 16 communities. The kitchen trailer is here to support the operation. It's preparing our team to transition back into the upgraded kitchen. The equipment that is here in the trailer that they are using now for cooking is the same equipment they will find when they move back in the kitchen. A Contact Pro kitchen, it is designed for efficiency. Even though it looks tight, even though it looks very compact, it is also at the same time very practical, because you don't need to run a lot of mileage in order to prepare food and to serve food. The great feature for us is the fact that we've been able to create a custom design, integrate the new equipment in the flow, have a process that is in place that allows us to function for what we want this kitchen to be, which is not a service kitchen, it is a production kitchen. So we have proper flow going in and out, going from a trailer to another, from the cold area to the hot area, moving food, receiving deliveries. This is really what is standing out when you look at the trailer operation, is the efficiency that we can really achieve because it's built for that. So I will definitely recommend Contact Pro for other kitchens, other communities, any type of service needed. This is why we actually have decided to purchase a kitchen trailer to support the remodeling. We are planning to use it in other communities to support different projects.